Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all messages on Discord. So first, you just have to open your Discord, and then this time you have to tap your server, and then you have to locate this app directory. So you have to go up, scroll down, and search for app directory, and then here you have to search for clear chat. Press enter. Tap this first application that you can see here. And then after that, click this add app. Now you have to select the server. Okay, so you have to tap this and then authorize. And then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now you can go to your server. And then this time you have to go to your server settings again. Look for roles here. Look for clear chat. And then you have to move this up. You can move this up if you want. And then aside from that, you can also tap this permissions and then toggle on this your channel here and message channels. So both toggle on, turn on, and then save changes. Now go back, locate that specific channel, locate the specific messages that you want to delete, and then you have to look for clear chat. Okay, for example, I want to delete all of this. Tap clear chat here, clear chat bot, click clear all, and then press enter, and then just wait. It will just delete all messages on Discord. And here it is. So please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to create other tutorials, feel free to message and comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.